Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach you the electronic configuration of all 118 elements of the modern periodic table. Okay, dear students. Atomic number 1 is hydrogen. Symbol is H. Electronic configuration is 1s1. The next atomic number is 2. The name of elements is helium. Symbol is He. Electronic configuration is 1s2. The next atomic number is 3. Name of the elements is lithium. Symbol is Li. Electronic configuration is He, 2s1. Next atomic number is 4. The name of elements is beryllium. Symbol is Be. Electronic configuration is He, 2s2. The next atomic number is 5. Name of the elements is boron. Symbol is B. Electronic configuration is He, 2s2, 2p1. The next atomic number is 6. Name of the elements is carbon. Symbol is C. Electronic configuration is He, 2s2, 2p2. The next atomic number is 7. Name of the elements is nitrogen. Symbol is N. Electronic configuration is He, 2s2, 2p3. The next atomic number is 8. Name of the elements is oxygen. Symbol is O. Electronic configuration is He, 2s2, 2p4. The next atomic number is 9. Name of the elements is fluorine. Symbol is F. Electronic configuration is He, 2s2, 2p5. Next atomic number is 10. Name of the elements is neon. Symbol is Ne. Electronic configuration is He, 2s2, 2p6. The next atomic number is 11. Name of the elements is sodium. Symbol is Na. Electronic configuration is Ne, 3s1. The next atomic number is 12. Name of the elements is magnesium. Symbol is Mg. Electronic configuration is Ne, 3s2. The next atomic number is 13. The name of elements is aluminium. Symbol is Al. The electronic configuration is Ne, 3s2, 3p1. The next atomic number is 14. Name of the elements is silicon. Symbol is Si. Electronic configuration is Ne, 3s2, 3p2. The next atomic number is 15. The name of elements is phosphorus. Symbol is P. Electronic configuration is Ne, 3s2, 3p3. The next atomic number is 16. Name of the elements is sulfur. Symbol is S. Electronic configuration is Ne, 3s2, 3p4. The next atomic number is 17. Name of the elements is chlorine. Symbol is Cl. Electronic configuration is Ne, 3s2, 3p5. Next atomic number is 18. Name of the elements is argon. Symbol is Ar. Electronic configuration is Ne, 3s2, 3p6. The next atomic number is 19. Name of the elements is potassium. Symbol is K. Electronic configuration is Ar, 4s1. The next atomic number is 20. The name of the elements is calcium. Symbol is Ca. Electronic configuration is Ar, 4s2. The next atomic number is 21. The name of the elements is scandium. Symbol is Sc. The electronic configuration is Ar, 3d1, 4s2. The next atomic number is 22. The name of the elements is titanium. Symbol is Ti. Electronic configuration is Ar, 3d2, 4s2. The next atomic number is 23. The name of elements is vanadium. Symbol is V. Electronic configuration is Ar, 3d3, 4s2. The next atomic number is 24. The name of elements is chromium. Symbol is Cr. Electronic configuration is Ar, 3d5, 4s1. The next atomic number is 25. The name of elements is manganese. Symbol is Mn. Electronic configuration is Ar, 3d5, 4s2. The next atomic number is 26. Name of elements is iron. Symbol is Fe. Electronic configuration is Ar, 3d6, 4s2. The next atomic number is 27. The name of elements is cobalt. Symbol is Co. Electronic configuration is Ar, 3d7, 4s2. The next atomic number is 28. The name of elements is nickel. Symbol is Ni. Electronic configuration is Ar3d8 4s2. The next atomic number is 29. Name of elements is copper. Symbol is Cu. Electronic configuration is Ar3d10 4s1. The next atomic number is 30. Name of elements is zinc. Symbol is Zn. Electronic configuration is Ar3d10 4s2. The next atomic number is 31. Name of elements is gallium. Symbol is Ga. Electronic configuration is Ar3d10 4s2 4p1. Next atomic number is 32. Name of elements is germanium. Symbol is Ge. Electronic configuration is Ar3d10 4s2 4p2. The next atomic number is 33. Name of elements is arsenic. Symbol is As. Electronic configuration is Ar3d10 4s2 4p3. The next atomic number is 34. Name of elements is selenium. Symbol is Se. Electronic configuration is Ar3d10 4s2 4p4. The next atomic number is 35. The name of elements is bromine. Symbol is Br. Electronic configuration is Ar3d10 4s2 4p5. The next atomic number is 36. The name of elements is krypton. Symbol is Kr. Electronic configuration is Ar3d10 4s2 4p6. The next atomic number is 37. The name of elements is rubidium. Symbol is Rb. Electronic configuration is Kr5s1. The next atomic number is 38. Name of elements is strontium. Symbol is Sr. Electronic configuration is Kr5s2. Next atomic number is 39. Name of elements is yttrium. Symbol is Y. Electronic configuration is Kr41 5s2. Next atomic number is 40. Name of elements is zirconium. Symbol is Zr. Electronic configuration is Kr42 5s2. The next atomic number is 41. The name of elements is niobium. Symbol is Nb. Electronic configuration is Kr44 5s1. The next atomic number is 42. Name of elements is molybdenum. Symbol is Mo. Electronic configuration is Kr45 5s1. The next atomic number is 43. Name of elements is technetium. Symbol is Tc. Electronic configuration is Kr45 5s2. The next atomic number is 44. Name of elements is ruthenium. Symbol is Ru. Electronic configuration is Kr47 5s1. The next atomic number is 45. Name of elements is rhodium. Symbol is Rh. Electronic configuration is Kr48 5s1. Next atomic number is 46. Name of elements is palladium. Symbol is Pd. Electronic configuration is Kr4010. Next atomic number is 47. Name of elements is silver. Symbol is Ag. Electronic configuration is Kr4010 5s1. Next atomic number is 48. Name of elements is cadmium. Symbol is Cd. Electronic configuration is Kr4010 5s2. Next atomic number is 49. Name of elements is indium. Symbol is In. Electronic configuration is Kr4010 5s2 5p1. Next atomic number is 50. Name of elements is tin. Symbol is Sn. Electronic configuration is Kr4010 5s2 5p2. Next atomic number is 51. Name of elements is antimony. Symbol is Sb. Electronic configuration is Kr4010 5s2 5p3. Next atomic number is 52. Name of elements is tellurium. Symbol is Te. Electronic configuration is Kr4010 5s2 5p4. The next atomic number is 53. Name of elements is iodine. Symbol is I. Electronic configuration is Kr4010 5s2 5p5. Next atomic number is 54. Name of elements is xenon. Symbol is Xe. Electronic configuration is Kr4010 5s2 5p6. The next atomic number is 55. Name of elements is cesium. Symbol is Cs. Electronic configuration is Xe6s1. The next atomic number is 56. Name of elements is barium. Symbol is Ba. Electronic configuration is Xe6s2. The next atomic number is 57. The name of elements is lanthanum. Symbol is La. Electronic configuration is Xe5d16s2. The next atomic number is 58. The name of elements is cerium. Symbol is Ce. Electronic configuration is Xe4f1 5d16s2. The next atomic number is 59. The name of elements is praseodymium. Symbol is Pr. Electronic configuration is Xe4f3 6s2. The next atomic number is 60. Name of elements is neodymium. Symbol is Nd. Electronic configuration is Xe4f4 6s2. The next atomic number is 61. Name of elements is promethium. Symbol is Pm. Electronic configuration is Xe4f5 6s2. The next atomic number is 62. Name of elements is samarium. Symbol is Sm. Electronic configuration is Xe4f6 6s2. The next atomic number is 63. Name of elements is europium. Symbol is Eu. Electronic configuration is Xe4f7 6s2. The next atomic number is 64. Name of elements is gadolinium. Symbol is Gd. Electronic configuration is Xe4f7 5d16s2. The next atomic number is 65. Name of elements is terbium. Symbol is Tb. Electronic configuration is Xe4f9 6s2. The next atomic number is 66. The name of elements is dysprosium. Symbol is Dy. Electronic configuration is Xe4f10 6s2. The next atomic number is 67. Name of elements is holmium. Symbol is Ho. Electronic configuration is Xe4f11 6s2. The next atomic number is 68. Name of elements is erbium. Symbol is Er. Electronic configuration is Xe4f12 6s2. The next atomic number is 69. Name of elements is thulium. Symbol is Tm. Electronic configuration is Xe4f13 6s2. The next atomic number is 70. The name of elements is ytterbium. Symbol is Yv. Electronic configuration is Xe4f14 6s2. The next atomic number is 71. Name of elements is lutetium. Symbol is Lu. Electronic configuration is Xe4f14 5d16s2. The next atomic number is 72. Name of elements is hafnium. Symbol is Hf. Electronic configuration is Xe4f14 5d26s2. The next atomic number is 73. Name of elements is tantalum. Symbol is Ta. Electronic configuration is Xe4f14 5d36s2. The next atomic number is 74. The name of elements is tungsten. Symbol is W. Electronic configuration is Xe4f14 5d46s2. The next atomic number is 75. Name of elements is rhenium. Symbol is Re. Electronic configuration is Xe4f14 5d56s2. The next atomic number is 76. Name of elements is osmium. Symbol is Os. Electronic configuration is Xe4f14 5d6s2. The next atomic number is 77. The name of elements is iridium. Symbol is Ir. Electronic configuration is Xe4f14 5d76s2. The next atomic number is 78. Name of elements is platinum. Symbol is Pt. Electronic configuration is Xe4f14 5d96s1. The next atomic number is 79. Name of elements is gold. Symbol is Au. Electronic configuration is Xe4f14 5d10 6s1. The next atomic number is 80. Name of elements is mercury, symbol is Hg. The electronic configuration is Xe, 4f14, 5d10, 6s2. The next atomic number is 81. Name of elements is thallium, symbol is Tl. Electronic configuration is Xe, 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p1. The next atomic number is 82. Name of elements is lead, symbol is Pb. Electronic configuration is Xe, 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p2. The next atomic number is 83. Name of elements is bismuth, symbol is Bi. Electronic configuration is Xe, 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p3. The next atomic number is 84. The name of elements is polonium, symbol is Po. Electronic configuration is Xe, 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p4. The next atomic number is 85. Name of elements is astatine, symbol is At. Electronic configuration is Xe, 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p5. The next atomic number is 86. Name of elements is radon, symbol is Rn. Electronic configuration is Xe, 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p6. The next atomic number is 87. Name of elements is francium, symbol is Fr. Electronic configuration is Rn, 7s1. The next atomic number is 88. Name of elements is radium, symbol is Ra. Electronic configuration is Rn, 7s2. The next atomic number is 89. Name of elements is actinium, symbol is Ac. Electronic configuration is Rn, 6d1, 7s2. The next atomic number is 90. Name of elements is thorium, symbol is Th. Electronic configuration is Rn, 6d2, 7s2. The next atomic number is 91. Name of elements is protactinium, symbol is Pa. Electronic configuration is Rn, 5f2, 6d1, 7s2. The next atomic number is 92. Name of elements is uranium, symbol is U. Electronic configuration is Rn, 5f3, 6d1, 7s2. The next atomic number is 93. Name of elements is neptunium, symbol is Np. Electronic configuration is Rn, 4f4, 6d1, 7s2. The next atomic number is 94. Name of elements is plutonium, symbol is Pu. Electronic configuration is Rn, 5f6, 7s2. The next atomic number is 95. Name of elements is americium, symbol is Am. Electronic configuration is Rn, 5f7, 7s2. The next atomic number is 96. Name of elements is curium, symbol is Cm. Electronic configuration is Rn, 5f7, 6d1, 7s2. The next atomic number is 97. Name of elements is berkelium, symbol is Bk. Electronic configuration is Rn, 5f9, 7s2. The next atomic number is 98. Name of elements is californium, symbol is Cf. Electronic configuration is Rn, 5f10, 7s2. Next atomic number is 99. The name of elements is einsteinium, symbol is Es. Electronic configuration is Rn, 5f11, 7s2. The next atomic number is 100. Name of elements is fermium, symbol is Fm. Electronic configuration is Rn, 5f12, 7s2. The next atomic number is 101. Name of elements is mendelevium, symbol is Md. Electronic configuration is Rn, 5f13, 7s2. The next atomic number is 102. Name of elements is nobelium, symbol is No. The electronic configuration is Rn, 5f14, 7s2. The next atomic number is 103. The name of elements is laurasium, symbol is Lr. Electronic configuration is Rn, 5f14, 6d1, 7s2. The next atomic number is 104. Name of elements is rutherfordium, symbol is Rf. Electronic configuration is Rn, 5f14, 6d2, 7s2. The next atomic number is 105. Name of elements is dubanium. Symbol is Dv. Electronic configuration is Rn. 5f14 6d3 7s2. The next atomic number is 106. Name of elements is seaborgium. Symbol is Sg. Electronic configuration is Rn. 5f14 6d4 7s2. The next atomic number is 107. Name of elements is borium. Symbol is Bh. Electronic configuration is Rn. 5f14 6d5 7s2. The next atomic number is 108. Name of elements is osmium. Symbol is Hs. Electronic configuration is Rn. 5f14 6d6 7s2. The next atomic number is 109. Name of elements is meternium. Symbol is Mt. Electronic configuration is Rn. 5f14 6d7 7s2. The next atomic number is 110. Name of elements is dermestidium. Symbol is Ds. Electronic configuration is Rn. 5f14 6d9 7s1. The next atomic number is 111. Name of elements is rontagenium. Symbol is Rg. Electronic configuration is Rn. 5f14 6d10 7s1. Next atomic number is 112. Name of elements is copernicium. Symbol is Cn. Electronic configuration is Rn. 5f14 6d10 7s2. The next atomic number is 113. Name of elements is nihonium. Symbol is Nh. Electronic configuration is Rn. 5f14 6d10 7s2 7p1. Next atomic number is 114. Name of elements is fullerovium. Symbol is Fl. Electronic configuration is Rn. 5f14 6d10 7s2 7p2. The next atomic number is 115. Name of elements is moscovium. Symbol is Mc. Electronic configuration is Rn. 5f14 6d10 7s2 7p3. The next atomic number is 116. Name of elements is livermorium. Symbol is Lv. Electronic configuration is Rn. 5f14 6d10 7s2 7p4. Next atomic number is 117. Tennessine. Symbol is Ts. Electronic configuration is Rn. 5f14 6d10 7s2 7p5. Next atomic number is 118. Name of elements is oganesson. Symbol is Og. Electronic configuration is Rn. 5f14 6d10 7s2 7p6. Dear students, if you satisfied by this video, then you like it, share it and subscribe it. Thanks.